Lovely, welcome back guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite dish, giving your favorite food. A lot of people say, Chef Ricardo, welcome back guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite dishes all the time with Chef Ricardo cooking show. But today, we want to show you can do this at home. Make your jerk sauce and marinate your jerk chicken at home. Natural jerk season, homemade, fresh and nice. Let's go into business with this jerk season, which I'm gonna make. First of all, if you make your jerk season, you can always keep it into a bottle up to 5 days at home in your fridge, or up to a week. It all depends how much you're gonna make. So first thing, I'm gonna make some jerk season for my jerk chicken, and I'm gonna show you how it works on the chicken really nice. First of all, this is some fresh garlic, and I'm using 1, 2, 3, roughly 5 cloves of garlic inside of the bottle like this. I got some fresh thyme which I'm gonna put inside of it just like that because I already washed off and thing. Second thing, I'm gonna cut just a little piece of a ginger, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of it. Second thing, some chili, but we're gonna leave the chili for last. So let's get the spring onion, and I'm using, as you can see, the amount of spring onion which I'm using. Basically, say the spring onion, cut it up just like this, very small. Be careful, make sure you're wearing a gloves like me, and simple, pop it straight inside of it like this. Nice. So as you can see, the ginger, the spring onion, the thyme, and also we're gonna put some white onion. As you can see, I removed the dry part of the white onion. Simple. Cut it up very small, like this, and pop it straight inside of it like this. I'm using half of a white onion. Lovely. As you can see. Next, chili. This is the chili. If you notice, I will remove the head, put that at the side, cut it up very small. Be careful with the chili. Don't cut the chili and then touch something. So we're gonna put the chili straight inside of it like this. So, next chili. If you don't got chili, you can use Scotch bonnet pepper. The only reason why I'm using the chili because I'm gonna use them up and get rid of my chili out of my fridge. Alright? And we're gonna put them straight inside of it like this. Nice one. So, as I said, with the chili, you have to be careful. Then make sure you remove the ear with the chili and don't try to touch anything else. Let's change your gloves. Alright, so I'm gonna change my gloves. Nice. So I changed my gloves and I'm gonna put on a new one because of the chili. Then next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some brown sugar. 1, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Teaspoon of mixed herb. That's some mixed herb, dry herb. We're gonna pop a little pinch of browning inside of it like this. Not too much, just a little pinch. And also, we're gonna pop some white vinegar. Roughly a teaspoon of white vinegar. Next, we're gonna put some olive oil. So we're gonna put roughly about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, large spoon of olive oil, just to free up the blender. Alright? Second thing, we're gonna put some, this is some coarse pepper, or normally they call it Ola black pepper. We're gonna pop it straight inside of it. It's just a few. and a pinch of pepper. So all the ingredients is inside of the bottle. As you can see, we are making a lovely jerk seasoning, and we're going to show you how to marinate your chicken at home. Cover your smoothie blender like this one. Make sure it's tight, not going to be seeing anything coming out. And all I'm going to do, we're going to blend this rough about 6 to 7 minutes until it comes smooth. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished blend. Give it a shake. You can see that lovely color. Wow. This smells really nice and beautiful. So let's put this at the side. What we're gonna do, we want to show you how effective it is. So we're gonna get some chicken and we're gonna marinate the chicken, and then we're gonna show you when you make your own jerk season at home, oh, it does really nice. So look at this now, guys. We get the chicken. Nice and lovely. So right here I have some chicken inside of the bowl. I just wash it off with some lemon juice. You can use white vinegar if you do like. White vinegar is really good to wash meat also. Chicken is one of the most deadliest meat ever you can ever think of. So you have to very be careful with chicken, or your hungry chicken, and how you wash your meat. Alright? Second thing, we want to put on this jerk seasoning. So roughly, I'm just going to use my teaspoon and say, alright, that's 1, 2, 3 teaspoons. That's 4 teaspoons. 4.5 of the jerk seasoning. Alright? So we put 4.5 on it just to see what's gonna happen. So what we're gonna do now, we wanna rub it up like this. Alright? What I want to say to you guys, if you want to put this in the oven, just as it, you can do the same thing, just like this, inside of the oven. The beauty is nice for you to marinate it from the day before, like this. As you can see, look at this, look at the kind of chicken you're looking at right here. The chicken is just fantastic, beautiful, rich, really nice. As you can see, the redness, that's the chili. So what you don't normally do if you're going to do a meat like this, you marinate it from the day before. The rest of the jerk seasoning, let's explain it to you. The rest of the jerk seasoning, you could just pour this into a container, seal it tight, and put it into your fridge. And this can last up to another 2 to 3 weeks. It all depends what you want to use it for. This is just a natural jerk seasoning. Vegetarian can use it. They can use it for many different stuff. If you are a person who doesn't eat meat, this can go really well for you. Alright? Lovely. So, next thing what we're gonna do, so we are right there with the jerk season at the moment. And we are marinating the jerk chicken. So this is the jerk chicken right here, and this is like an oven baked jerk chicken. So what we're going to do is to put a little bit more seasoning on it by put a teaspoon of paprika. Paprika, you can get that at a local shop or supermarket. You can get that anywhere. We're going to put some chicken seasoning. Just a little teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Lovely. And the last thing which I'm going to put on it is some all-purpose seasoning. I might have to put a little pinch of my mixed herb. I love my mixed herb. That's a little pinch more of the mixed herb. Lovely. And it just like that. Second thing, I have some seasoning which I did blend up of 2 days ago. That's some ordinary seasoning which I blend up. I'm gonna put a large spoon of it on it. Really nice. And then pop just a little bit more of the olive oil on it. what I want to simply say to you, you don't need to put so much stuff on your chicken when you're going to do it at home, just because I know what I'm doing. But if you just want to use your jerk season, which you just blend up only, it is good to go. Trust me guys, you will love it. Second thing, I'm just gonna marinate it up like this again. So as you can see how my chicken look. Really seasoned and marinated, soaked really good. Alright, lovely. So this is finished. Then all I'm gonna do, get a tray, and I'm gonna lay them inside of the tray like this. My oven is preheated already. Lovely. So now what I'm gonna do is put this inside of the oven for half an hour. Make sure your oven is at a high temperature like 7 or 8. If you're using a different kind of oven, you can use 165 or 175 for 30 minutes inside of the oven. So guys, look what I'm talking about. Beautiful, nice and simple recipe which you can do this at home if you want to make some natural seasoning. And as I said before, this one you can also just use it, marinate your chicken only. You don't need to put any other else season. All you have to do is just put a little pinch of salt if you like to. Second thing, you can put the rest of this in your fridge up to 2 weeks in a sealed container. Enjoy the recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team as we bake chicken for half an hour in the oven. Gas mark 7 or 8. If you use a different oven, 165 or 175 for 30 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. So we're going to pour off the liquid off the chicken like this. Alright, so let's get the water of the liquid into the front pan. Just to make you guys see exactly how we can do things at home. So if you're at home and you're doing some chicken like this, honestly guys, what I'm doing right here, you can do it. Alright, nice one. So that's the liquid of the chicken. Put this at the side. This is the chicken right here. And all I'm going to do is just simply turn them over to the other side. And we're going to pop it back in the oven for another good 10 more minutes. So it's gone about roughly about 15 minutes now at the moment. 20 minutes at the moment. So we want to give it 10 more minutes. Nice one. So we're just going to pop back this inside of the oven for 10 more minutes. Nice. So remember, we throw off the liquid off the chicken. This is the liquid right here inside of this frying pan. You could fry up some onion and bits and pieces, but you don't need to. All you need to do is to make life a little bit more easier. It's simple. Pop a little bit of ketchup inside of it like this. Roughly one good 3 to 4 tablespoons. Simple. Mix it out inside of it like this, cause this is just the sauce of the chicken. So what happened, it got all of the flavor inside of the chicken already, with the season and everything. Lovely. So we're just gonna make this boil for roughly about 2 to 3 seconds and get that thickness from it. Nice. So as you can see, all I did is just add some ketchup to it. So basically, just to make sure everything is fine, what we're gonna do, pop a little pinch of mixed herb inside of it, give it a little bit more flavor. You don't have to do this all I'm doing, guys. Simple, but for me, I would pop a pinch of browning inside of it like this. Simple, give it a little whisk just to get to change the color, because you want it to look like that jerk sauce color. Alright, because remember, the chicken already have all of the season, the flavor in out of it. This is from the chicken. So all you're gonna do is just to lower it and make it cook down for another 3 to 4 minutes. Nice. So as you can see, look at the sauce. Look at this. That is beautiful and really nice. And remember, all of the flavor is in this right here. So basically, this is finished. So now the chicken's supposed to soon ready. Lovely. That's finished. Nice one. So that's all you can do a nice little sauce at home when you're doing like your jerk chicken, your baked chicken. You want an extra little sauce for your chicken. Look at this. That is beautiful and nice. Let's use a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of browning, change the color. And also, yes, you can simple pop a teaspoon of honey all out inside of it just like that. Because the honey will give it a nice lovely flavor also. Give it a stir same way. Really nice. So guys, it's just ideas, recipe like this, good for a family dinner, especially on a Sunday. Enjoy it, guys. Nice and lovely. And just take it from the oven, guys, and this is the way how it looking, so lovely and nice and yummy. But if you could just imagine just smelling the scent of this chicken, it is amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo. Seriously, not because I'm a chef and I can cook bits and pieces, but the way I did the chicken, can imagine, and it's like say I marinated 24 hours ago and it started to soak. Oh my days, you guys, you will love it. So I'm saying enjoy the recipe, please, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna plate it up to show you exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Thank you so much. Nice. So as you can see, this is a sauce, and I do some roasted buttered potato, kneaded potato, and this is some mixed veg which I did earlier. And all I'm gonna do is simply pop on that lovely chicken and it like this. I want to simply say to you guys, this recipe, honestly, you can do this at home, very easy and simple. You don't need to have any complicated to say, oh my god, oh Chef Ricardo did this, oh Chef Ricardo do that. But look at that, guys. That is fantastic, amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Got a lot more recipe coming out like this. We all know that we are giving the best recipe ever in this world. So hopefully you will love this one and subscribe. So this is the way how you make your jerk sauce, your jerk seasoning, and marinate your chicken, cook it in the oven, get those flavor, make the sauce from it, and share a beautiful family dinner or an evening dinner if your friend come over. So this is the way how it end up, guys. So hopefully it will be a benefit to you, and please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye.